What's up YouTube? It's Ben again, and today I got a new unboxing for you guys, and it is a pair of Puma RSX collab with PlayStations. And the color is Glacial Gray Blue Skies, and I'm a normal size 10.5. For this pair I would size up half a size, so that's what they recommend online. So I do go up half a size, which is a 10.5 US. And the box itself is just a combination of white and blue, the Puma branding with the PlayStation logo. Then you'll see all the buttons of the PlayStation remote, and also control, and then the PlayStation logo with the Puma logo. And yeah, let's take the sneakers out, and it comes with a pair of navy laces. It should, outside it should be navy, but on camera it looks like black, but it's 100% navy. And here you go, guys. Locks away, and it is a pair of Puma RSX collab with PlayStations. And there is another colorway which is black and blue, but I think I love this colorway better. It has blue skies, and gray is the base of the sneakers. This is the first time I wear this Puma RSX, and it fits comfortably. It's very comfortable overall. The outsole is insanely nice. It's a pale colorway from gray to blue, with all of the buttons of PlayStation control, with the Puma logo branding inside. And it looks like other Puma RSX sneakers. It comes with a tag which represent all the buttons, and you get on all the buttons on the toe box as well. The material is kind of like mesh, and yeah, it has some bubblings up here. Let me show you real quick the overall sneakers. The heel, they have a little bit of the heel tap on the end, and on the tongue itself it represents sky blue here, and then all the Puma logo branding, and also all button, PlayStation button up here. The insole is just like sky blue, and here is the other one, so you guys can see it clearly. And I tried this on feet though, and they feel comfortable overall. And I think the combination is very nice compared to the other colorway. And I think it can be my daily shoe as they are very comfortable, and also I can wear it for running or playing sports, or just like casual wearing. And yeah, that's it for my unboxing, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Peace.